going on air? Grant?
Yes. We are currently on air.
Have a school on air again. What?
We are on air. We are on air now.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is a special open meeting of the Board of Directors of Third Laguna Hills Mutual, California Nonprofit Mutual Benefit Corporation. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020 at 1:30 p.m. And we are going ahead with the meeting as planned. So I'll call the meeting to order and establish a quorum, which we have a quorum. The purpose of the meeting is to tabulate the ballots of the Third Mutual restatement of the bylaws and CCRs in accordance with Civil Code 5110 with 5110. I'd like to acknowledge the Inspector of Election, Catherine Burkhardt, from Unilect Election Services, and welcome her to this. Okay, do I hear a motion we commence the counting of the ballots?
I'll make the motion to count the ballot.
Okay. Is there a second?
I second.
Okay. All in favor? Okay. Raise it. Your vote?
Yes, I made the motion, so I vote.
Okay. We will begin the counting of the 2020 ballots.
My apologies.
Waiting for the drum roll.
Hi, my name is Catherine Burkhardt. I'm the Inspector of Elections. We have received a total of 3,028 ballots returned for Third Mutual. And the breakdown of that number, we had 537 that were dropped off at the ballot box here at the clubhouse, and 2,491 that were mailed in.
Catherine, when you said at the clubhouse, do you mean the community center?
Yes, I'm sorry, the community center ballot box.
Thank you. I just wanted to make sure we were just talking about the same location.
Yes.
And thank you for that disclosure. Robert?
Yeah, I'd like to make a motion then, as a member of the association, that we extend the election till December 3rd at 1:30 p.m.
I'd like to second that motion.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, I'd like December 4th at 1:30, not December 3rd, December 4th.
I second that motion.
Okay. Any discussion on this?
May I ask why this is Reza. I'm asking why December 4th, not sooner or later. I need to, ask a question because I wasn't sure that how we pick the date and how much insurance we have that is going to help.
Yes.
The reason is that there are a lot of people yet to receive their ballots. They have not had a chance to vote. We have been sending out even replacement ballots to reach them, and some of them haven't even received those yet. So we're extending it like 30 days or so to accommodate these people with being able to cast their ballot.
Okay.
Okay. We have a motion on the floor to delay this counting or continue the process until 4th of December. All in favor? Kush? Okay. Kush, Lynn, John, Robert, Wayne, Annie, Doug, and Reza. Your vote?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Motion passes. And we'll keep the process going on. I do have an announcement I would like to read for everybody. So if you can bear with me while I go through this, it'll help explain the situation. The Board of Directors met on November 2nd at a noticed meeting to discuss ongoing concerns by homeowners whose stories indicated that they have been disenfranchised during the voting process. Apparently, owners have not received the ballots mailed to them, including replacement ballots, or the Inspector of Election has not received the ballots mailed by the owners to the inspector. Due to the significant interest in the vote for the restatement of the governing documents and the apparent abject failure of the various post offices to deliver the mail to the intended locations, a majority of the board has voted to extend the balloting period until December 4th, 2020, unless further extended, for the ballots to be counted at that time. The ballot box will be reinstalled outside the entry of the community center for those owners who prefer to drop off their ballots as opposed to mailing the ballots. The board will reconvene to extend balloting period until the ballots are counted on December 4th, 2020 at 1:30 p.m. Third Mutual's Inspector of Election will continue to accept ballots on the governing document restatement either by mail to be received no later than 11 a.m. on Thursday, December 3rd, 2020, or in the ballot box in front of the community center no later than 5 p.m. on Thursday, December 3rd, 2020. Residents are welcome to observe the vote tabulation on Friday, December 4th, 2020, via the Granicus system beginning at 1:30 p.m., and the outcome of the ballot composition will be announced live on TV6 at 4:30 p.m. or as soon thereafter as the votes can be tabulated. On behalf of the board, we so appreciate the homeowners' involvement in this democratic process. Thank you very much. So, yes, Sandra.
Catherine, our Inspector of Election, will you take possession of all of the ballots that have been either mailed to you or dropped off at the ballot box until this December 4th date? Read as voted on by members?
I will be doing that, and also I will be back mid-November for the Golden Rain Foundation election, and at that point, I'm going to also take whatever third ballots have been dropped off at that point and take them back with me as well and return them December 4th.
And when you retrieve those ballots in mid-November, will you then return the empty ballot box to the front of the community center so owners can continue to vote in person if that is their preference?
Yes, we will. I will.
Thank you for that clarification.
Sandra. Seeing the purpose of this meeting is resolved at this time for the continuation, I see no further business at this time, and I call the meeting adjourned.